Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have seen how to design a form for CRUD operation and how to insert a record in MySQL using server action. In this video number 40, we are going to extend the same project and we are going to learn how to use form status and form state for update operation also, and how to update information in MySQL using server action. So for that we go to the project here and you can see the output also. So we designed this one, data we are having inserted, the record also, record inserted. Now I'm going to add one more button for update and then for update operation. So I go there and for update operation I need to add one more button. So I just copy this button like this, and in place of insert I say updating and here I say update, remember, and in place of value I have to give update because I have to check this value. Name should be same. Then button is ready, then everything is okay. I have to go to this server action form, and in server action form I just copy this portion, remember this portion for updating or this, and here I say else and paste it. Else if the insert button, if button is update, means if you click on update button, then again we have to check the record if they are empty or not, and we have to set here record updated, here also record not updated, and we have to give field cannot be empty, and in place of this insert I say update student, and here I say set sid equal to question mark, remember, and then I say name equal to question mark, then I say course equal to question mark. Remember that name and course are the field in database, and here we have a as course and as name. So second is name, so that's why I have to change the order. I say name, then we have a course, so I say as course like this. Save this. So this is the update query that we have given, update table, set this equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this, and where sid equal to question mark. So again I have to pass, here I have to give sid equal to question mark, and this should be under double quote, and again I have to pass the sid because we have to give, again I have to pass sid because this is a fourth parameter, as a sid I have to pass. So for update operation, if it is okay, then it will update the information. For checking this, we go to again our page, and this button is coming, so I need to put this button just in front of this. So why it is coming in separate? So that button is there. I think it is coming because we have used here under the form this flex column. So I have to remove this flex column. For that I have to take this button under a div tag. So I take separate div, and under this div tag I put these button, then it would not come in a tabular form. I refresh it, once again it is coming in tabular form. Why? Button is there, flex we have, justify content center, button primary, updating. I'm not using any, so I should use deflex column. I say deflex, I say flex row. I can do like this. So for that what I do, I go to div and I say class name, I say deflex, and I say flex rows, flex row. You see rows is there, okay, and this should be come in the center of the screen. So I say justify content center, that I can also put here. Save this, refresh, not at all. Deflex is there, so I need to remove this from here. I have to remove this is also from here, like this. I save this, and I need to remove mx auto also, I think that is the problem. Save this, yeah, now it is okay, and I have to give margin also, so I can give here m2, and here also I can give m2. Save this, and you see we have margin. So if I click on update now, if update is empty, so it will display field cannot be empty. But if suppose I added a wrong information in last video that this name and PhD is interchange, so I say I have to replace the ID number 1. In place of this I say Dr. Vipin Theotia should be the name and qualification should be PhD, like this. Remember there's one ID is there, then information in place of this name we are changing and this course will changing here. And I click on update and you see record not updated. Why? We have to check the query, maybe the some problem is there in query. So once again we check update is there, and I think insert is going on. We have this as course as name and result is there, execute query, update student SID equal to this SID, then we have name, then we have to put here comma. That is a problem, so I have to put comma also after this because it's a wrong query. Now it will done. You see if I done this update and you see record updated and you see we have changed the record. In place of this we have replaced it. You see everything we are handling, error we handling. If we have a wrong query, then it generating record not updated, means everything we are doing without using any API. That is the power of server action. So you see we have completed update also, and without using API I am doing all these things by using server action. So beautiful form we have designed. We have all the confirmation here, record updated, inserted, deleted. So last operation is remaining, delete operation, that we are going to perform in next video. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.